Hi all, welcome back to your channel. I'm at Anfield this evening. When I say this evening, it's 7 p.m. I wanted to get down when all the construction workers had gone, because it was yesterday, Thursday, as you can see, the third backspan's gone in. So I wanted to get a little bit of footage of this, so I've come down midweek before I get my full Monday one done. So I'll cover some points while I'm having a look around. So I'll try and get in nice and close as no one's here. So yeah, I'll get over and have a look. Oh sorry, you know, before I start, right, people have been asking if they can buy me a pint. You know what guys, times are hard, save your money, okay? I'm fine for now, I've got a job. I'm getting a few pence off YouTube for making a video, so if you want to pay me, just watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. That's payment enough for me at the moment. So if there's anything that you do, you know, if you want to do anything, do me a favour and donate £1 to all today, or 50 pence to all today, or take some food to your local food bank for me, okay? Times are hard and we're all in the same boat at the moment with the cost of living going up. I don't want to make this channel political, but I just wanted to all the ones that are offering to buy me a pint. I don't really drink that much anyway, so thanks for the offer and I really appreciate it, but it's payment enough just watching my videos, okay? Give them a thumbs up, that's all I ask. What else? Yeah, all the Hale Hospital, I've done a lot for my kids over the years, so if you want to donate £1 to them, that'll do me, okay? Failing that, take some food down to your local food bank and let out those who are going to struggle over the winter, okay? Right, that's that bit out the way. Let's go over and have a look at the ground now and put the politics to bed. So I want to get a little closer look at this well, these three backspans now. Let's get over. So I'm looking in the air and I'm looking at my screen. Okay. Get myself a little bit lower. It's funny because on the screen it looks like I'm really close, but I'm not. I'm miles away from the work going on. It just looks though it really gets in really close, and it's not. So there we go, all three backspans in place. Now someone said, what's the green and blue on the backspans? Is it glass? No, it's not glass. I say I'm not into construction, so I wouldn't know, but I assume when the roof panels go on, it's to stop things falling, tools, you know, bits of debris, you know, it'll just get caught on a net rather than fall on someone's head who's working below them. That's what I assume that's for, okay? So let's get a little look around here. Okay. I'm going to go nice and slow over these. This only going to be a shortish video. I want it to be less than 10 minutes. Right, again, I'm looking in the air. Oh, I didn't know they put another front span on as well. I thought there was only the one front span, so yeah, another front span's gone up there on the left there, so yeah, that's interesting. Right, so I've wrote down a few notes that I want to cover. There's a gantry on the front here. I don't know if it comes across well on here. On the front. No, it's not, is it? I thought it was. Oh, there's some sort of fixture on the front of the truss. People asking if that's some sort of workway. I just think they're going to put the floodlights on it and maybe have some access along there, but yeah, I don't think it's anything major, okay? So let me get over the grounds and look in. I'm going to do a more detailed look at the grounds on Monday, so you know all the work that's been going on. I'll have a look then. Okay, so there's I was looking from above the pitch. Yeah, the safe standing issue keeps coming up, and someone's messaged me that works at the grounds and saying the safe standing isn't safe standing. It's to stop people falling forward. Now, I'm not calling anyone out on this, but if you stop people falling forwards, then surely every seat would have it. If you can answer that question, because I know other people will ask that question, if it's to stop people falling forward, well, why isn't it on every seat and only on selected seats? Okay, so I do think it is part of the safe standing, but you work at the grounds, you know more than me. I just don't know why it's on certain seats and not all seats. Then that's all I've got to say on that one. Yeah, I'm getting loads of messages from all around the world, you know, which it blows my mind really. I get messages from Australia and Thailand and, you know, all over the country of people who are watching the videos, and I'm interested to see where other people are watching from, as I do get information in my analytics, you know, when I look on YouTube, and it does tell me where people are watching from. But if people comment and let me know, you know, it just blows my mind that people are watching from, you know, the other side of the world really. Just getting a scan all around the grounds here. Yeah, I haven't been as busy on YouTube this week because I'm starting my second year at uni next week, so I've been busy getting myself prepared for that. So, but I've got myself sorted now, and I'll be getting more videos out. I'm going to be at Goodson Park tomorrow for some street photography of the derby, so if people are interested in them ones, because I done it for the Newcastle game, and I got a lot of good feedback from my street photography outside Anfield, so I'll be doing this outside Goodson tomorrow for the derby. So yeah, I actually film what I'm doing and show the photos as well of what I'm looking at, if you like. Yeah, and my style of drone flying as well, people, you know, they say the drone control is good. I don't think it is. I've got my drone in sport mode, so because I like to get from A to B fast, you know, when I'm looking at stuff. I like to get down fast. I like to, you know, if I'm talking about a specific part of the ground, I like to get over there fast, you know. I can put it into cinematic mode, I can do nice shots, but I like it to be fast, so I can get round fast. Okay, just see if there's anything else that I can cover. Yeah, someone said how far is Brookside close from the grounds. If you're not from Liverpool, which I assume you're not, it's quite a small city, so you can get from one end of the city to the other in half an hour to 40 minutes, depending on traffic. So you can drive from Crosby to Speak in around 40 minutes, which in city wise is quite small, which is it's great for driving around because it's dead easy to get around. Right guys, I'm going to leave this here. I want to keep it under 10 minutes. I've just gone slightly over 10 minutes, but I'll probably snip a bit out and keep it under 10, as I don't want to bore everyone, because I'm going to do a more detailed view of the stadium on Monday. I just wanted to get some footage of these backspans that are in now. So there's 2 more to go in, then the roof's going to be coming off the old Anfield Road, and I'm going to put roofing on the new Anfield Road stands. Okay, so we'll talk more of that on Monday. Again, I appreciate all the views, the comments, the likes, everything really helps me. If you want to pay me, watch my videos, like them and comment, okay, that's payment enough for me. Okay, but yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you all soon.